Welcome to Rainrose Channel USA. If you're new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so every time I have a new upload videos, you are notified. Thank you. God bless you all. And today we are doing our front yard decoration. So my husband and I will start putting all our old decorations outside, and we're trying to check what are the good ones and the bad ones. So here you go. I hope you all like it, and please enjoy our DIY and decoration of our front yard. And here you go, my husband and I are doing all the lights for now and checking all our old stuff. And here you go. I hope you all enjoy. God bless you. So we're not done yet, but at least this is what we finished for a few hours. So we're gonna continue tomorrow. Whatever that we can put more, you know. That one still work?
Yes.
Okay. So tomorrow we're gonna add more color because yeah, it's already late. But at least we finished some of this, and we still have some more of the one there on the front. So we'll see. There you go. Okay. Okay, so this is still some of my decoration para sa loob ng bahay, but then I found out I still have this for outside door. So okay, I will decorate this today. Okay, so today we're gonna continue my my outdoor Christmas decoration. Yan po. Start na po natin ulit. Ayan. One more. I see. Ayan. Tatalian na lang natin sila. And ready na yung ating pati si nutcracker natin. Laki. O, diba? There you go. Ayan. Ito na yung decoration natin sa harap. Ayan. Kasi yung neighbor ko, oh, tignan nyo, ang ganda din. Diba? So, kailangan mag-decorate talaga tayo. Kasi itong mga neighborhood ko, later on, tignan nyo yan. Kahit dyan, maganda na rin yan. Okay, so this is what I did already. So, it's my decoration, plus the lights in there. And of course, my neighbor. Yeah, just that neighbor for now. They're the first one who put it. So, I'll wait for the other one.